Welcome. If you've ever wanted to invite someone to your Messenger group but weren't sure how to share the group invite link, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest, most up-to-date way to copy your group invite link on Messenger. Whether you're organizing a study group, planning an event, or just want to add more friends to your chat, this quick guide will have you sharing your group link in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and on the main chat screen. Scroll through your conversations and find the group you want to invite people to. Once you've found your group, tap and hold on the group chat. This will bring up a menu with several options. From here, tap on the group's name at the very top of the screen. This will take you to the group's main settings page, where you can see all the details about your group. Now, look for the section labeled Invitation Link. It might be a little lower on the page, so scroll down if you need to. Tap on Invitation Link to open the link options. You'll see a button that says Copy. Tap on Copy, and just like that, the group invite link is saved to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere you want, send it in a text, share it on social media, or email it to your friends. Anyone with the link will be able to join your Messenger group instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to quickly copy and share your Messenger group invite link. No more searching through menus or wondering how to add new members. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.